just between you and me. Fairy candy from the Legendary Cookbook. Pistachio Brittle and Almond Toffee. Keep these a secret. Hey, Willifrida. These recipes are from the Legendary Cookbook, aren't they? Yes, and they're Bella Mae's favorite. Bella Mae's a full flavor fairy. She has wings. We'll meet her in a little bit. On to the fairy candy. It's just darn fun to see how big you can get it. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This is the scientific element that makes the baking soda explode. I can't wait for you to see it. And my special flavor touch, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Get this heating on medium heat to 310 degrees. Don't let your thermometer touch the bottom of the pan. Give it a stir every once in a while. This will take about 15 minutes, which in our kitchen is forever. Solve the riddle of the rolling spoons or face the wrath of the sticky taffy titan. While you're waiting, get the rest of the stuff ready. Line your 8x8 pan with parchment paper and have your baking soda measured out. Pulverize any lumps because they won't dissolve once you add them in. Well, that answers the what next question. Let's riddle up before we get squashed like pineapple flan. Why didn't I stay with the money? First riddle. What is sweet but not sugar? Soft but not cream. Rises with heat but isn't steam. Bam! There you go. It's hot enough. Whisk that. Look, it's expanding. It's exploding. Woohoo! Look, it's still going. Is this not the coolest thing? Hey, I wonder if we could make an exploding, erupting volcano cake this way. While everything's warm, fill your pan with water and dish soap, and by the end of this video, it'll clean right up. Is it a souffle? Correct! Happy dance, dance, dance. Oh, one last step with the fairy candy. Dip it in chocolate. On the top of a double boiler, add 1 tablespoon of shortening and 8 to 10 ounces of chocolate. Melt and dip. The chocolate with the cinnamon is just awesome. Vince, you may proceed into the licorice ledge. Wow! Licorice? Ooh, I hate licorice. It tastes like starving ice. Hey, that's the spirit. Let's cross before the Titan hears we got brains. Flavors of feeling. And I'm feeling fabulous. The pistachio brittle starts off similar to the fairy candy with sugar and light corn syrup. But also add in 1 cup of water and bring that up to 236 degrees. This takes 15 minutes too. Good gravy, we've opened a baking wormhole. Now that is a souffle with ambition. Hold the frosting. I see something. Someone. A shadowy figure stands at the far side of this portal thingy-dingy. Add in your pistachios and boil them to 295 degrees. This can take 20 minutes. And you have to stir it constantly to keep it from burning in any one area. It gets kind of thick and almost like jelly, doesn't it? Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-ling-ling. 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. It doesn't explode in this case because we didn't feed it an activating agent like vinegar. Pour it onto your well-greased pan and break it into pieces after it cools. Only those with the key of Guga, may pass into the realm of the forbidden frosting. The what? Of the where now? Guga? Zerblex! Finally, the grand Almond Toffee! 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and half a cup of chopped roasted almonds. Medium heat, 265 to 270. Stir constantly. This too takes 15 minutes. We cook it on medium because it's more of a controlled rise in heat. If you blasted it on boiling to go faster, you can't slow it down enough in time when it reaches 270 degrees. It's way too easy to go over and burn the whole thing. Try cleaning that. Oh, no worries, sugar. I snagged the golden key from that dusty room with the singing ladles and never leave a sparkly object behind. Basic rules of glam sorcery. Pour it into your lined 8x8 pan. Sprinkle the chocolate chips over top. Let them melt all the way. Spread the chocolate smooth. You can also decorate the top with more chopped almonds. You may enter, you chosen sugar slingers.